All right, so let's talk about more bad news that we've got for crypto and kind of the overall financial markets right now. We're going to get into that in a minute. And I've been talking about this pretty much all week. We've had a couple of key factors and reports coming out. We had the jobs report come out last week. That report showed that jobs were growing exponentially. We were expecting about 175,000 or so new jobs added last month. We, in fact, got about 340,000, basically double. That was a surprise. We had the PPI the PPI index, inflation index come out yesterday. It was a surprise. It was about 0.6%. So a little bit more than 0.5% up. That's why the stock market was down yesterday. That's why crypto is down today. And today we got the consumer price index, the CPI, showing that it has risen 3.7 over last year in September, matching August's increase. Okay. So basically, this is another, proverbial nail in the coffin, if you will, in relationship to what the Federal Reserve, is or is not going to do as far as their November 1 meeting that's coming up, as far as if they're going to raise interest rates or any of that kind of stuff. The bottom line here, these three reports combined, jobs, PPI, CPI, are all having a very negative adverse effect on crypto right now. That's why you see crypto moving down 1.6, Bitcoin down a point, Ethereum down a point, XRP almost down 2%, Solana down 3.3, and so forth and so on. Polkadot down 2, etc. In fact, if we look at the top growth here, Loom and Frax are kind of the outliers. Kronos is up 3%, Gala is up 2.89%. But bottom line, overall crypto being impacted by this scenario that we're getting a raise. Okay. This was basically more than we were expecting. We were looking for a forecast of 3.6. We got 3.7. Doesn't sound like a lot, but it also really what it shows is it shows that inflation is not coming down. Inflation is not cooling. The number's not going down as much as we would want it to. And that's really the lead story. That's the narrative here. That's what we're focusing on. And that's, again, creating uncertainty in the marketplace. That's why you see the crypto market moving down, is because now what's going to happen, right? What's going to happen with the Federal Reserve meeting coming up? You take a look at kind of Bitcoin as it relates on this is a 3-hour chart. You can see right here, this is my software, by the way, momentum up, momentum down. Back on the 23rd, it gave a momentum up, and from there to that momentum down, that's about a 7% increase. Okay. So that's what I've been using my software to do little bitty sales like this, buying and selling on these momentum up and down alerts. So this is, as I said, Bitcoin made a killing over on Solana with my software. Links in the description below, by the way, if you want to pick it up. There's a discount code down there. This blue bar right here, 21% in 6 days. Momentum up. I got an alert to my phone right there. I got an alert and said buy, and basically it said sell. Okay. This is Apple kind of scenario. I've been trading some stocks as well. So this is Apple. I got a 3% rise up there and rising. Also, what it does, the software does as well, is it basically says it stops you from losing money. Said this is basically seeing this red box. This is a 10% move down that I didn't hit. Like I bought and sold Apple right here. Let me show you this. Bought, sold, made about 5%. But more importantly, what I didn't do is I didn't lose 10%. Okay. That's the point, right? Most people don't have a clue when they should buy or sell. Links in the description below. There's a discount code down there. Pick it up. It's basically $1 a day is what it costs you. And that's less than you're spending on a cup of coffee or a soda, a cola, things of that nature. So invest in yourself. Take this for a test spin. When you go down to that link in the description, I got a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund policy, period. So you get to try it. If you don't like it, then you just basically get your money back. You just ask for a refund and we give you an instant refund back. So links in the description below, pick it up. I challenge you to start making some extra money, even in this really, really bad market that we've got going on right here. All right, I'll see you. More bad news as far as crypto is concerned. We'll see how long it lasts.